You're trying to relax on your phone, and suddenly notifications start popping up. Ever feel like the internet is walking straight into your tent uninvited? Today, we're fixing that. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and this is the Digital Survival Guide, helping you stay safe, smart, and totally Scoutadelic in the online wilderness. Now remember, the internet is like a massive forest. Exciting, full of adventure, but if you're not careful, anyone can wander straight into your camp. So today, we're learning how to build your digital shelter, because online, just like on camp, you need somewhere safe to rest. When scouts build a shelter, we don't leave the doors wide open. Online, that's exactly what a lot of people accidentally do. Most apps and websites have privacy settings. These decide things like who can see your posts, who can message you, and who can find your profile. And the truth is, a lot of them start wide open. So every now and again, it's worth checking your privacy settings and asking, who can actually see my stuff? So how can we set camp boundaries? When you're on camp, you don't invite the entire forest into your tent. Online, the same rules apply. Here you get to choose who follows you, who can comment, and who messages you. And if someone makes you uncomfortable online, you are absolutely allowed to block them. It's not rude, that's just good camp management. So don't leave your tent open. So here's a simple question for you. Would you leave your tent open all night on a camp? Probably not. People do the digital version of that all the time. Things like using the same passwords everywhere you go, sharing too much personal information, and posting your location live in real time. Your digital shelter should protect your space, not advertise it. So here's a quick shelter update. 1. Check your privacy settings. Who has access to what? 2. Choose who can contact you, friends or random people. 3. Think before sharing your personal information. These 3 small things can make a real big difference. In the digital wilderness, your shelter is your space. Building it well, and you'll feel a lot more comfortable exploring the rest of the forest. So be safe online, and above all, be a little Scoutadelic. Bye!